तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं स्टूडियो टूर पे और आई थिंक इसके लिए हमें बस लेना होगा और फिर हम देखेंगे। तो अब हम जा रहे हैं स्टूडियो टूर की तरफ और देखते हैं यहाँ पे कि ओह यहाँ पे तो बहुत बड़ी लाइन लगी हुई है। 35 मिनट। तो अभी हम जा रहे हैं स्टूडियो की तरफ इस ट्रेन में स्टूडियो विजिट पे और उन्होंने हमें ये
We are going to ride
तो अब हम जो है स्टूडियो विजिट के लिए जा रहे हैं। यहाँ पे जो है बस जाएगी, ये जो ट्रेन बनी हुई है इस ट्रेन में हम जा रहे हैं।
we'll be out there.
अभी हम
Real movie
ट्रेन में
walk, so
बैठ
a
चुके
couple things. Make sure to move all the way down your right-hand side. Now, in the 1960s, they came up with this great idea. Hey, let's have a glamour tram. Let's have a to brag, but 3 Starbucks. Now, Miss Universal Studios Hollywood tour. My name is Tiffany. Hi. I'll be your guide for the next 5 hours. Just kidding. 45 minutes to about an hour. We'll be out there in our real movie lot. So a couple things. Make sure to move all the way down to your right-hand side to make room for any friends who'd like to join us today. Also, if your job is to make sure that all the details are consistent when filming. So everything from executive produced by Taika Waititi. If you're not sure who Taika Waititi is, he's responsible for Jojo Rabbit, What We Do in the Shadows, both the television is going down to our little town area. You can see there the event might even be happening right now. This dumpling truck right there. That's our small town area called Courthouse Square. Down that, you can see a little bit into our New York, our financial district right here. We're pulling into what we call London Square right now. This is where you might film a royal wedding. But for the Mindy project, they actually use this as India. Of course, that is produced, directed, and acted by Mindy Kaling, who, what can't she do? She's kind of amazing.
The character and personality of Kong, and he's so much more than a monster. In fact, he's not a monster. You know, he is an incredibly majestic, ancient creature. He's a force of nature. He's old, he's wise, he's proud, he's fierce, and obviously he has a heart. The most important feature with Kong is
इधर ही है। हम लोग मूव नहीं कर रहे।
For King Kong 360 in 3D. This is for The Voice. Check it out. The Voice just had their season finale this past week. So now one of those quiet zones is coming up. I want to tell you what's filming. They're bringing back Suits. It's going to be on NBC. So that's what's filming.
अभी जो है हम फिल्म स्टूडियोज से गुजर रहे हैं, ये देख सकते हैं। और यहाँ पे शूटिंग हो रही है सूट्स का पार्ट 2 और ये सारा हॉलीवुड का एरिया है और यहाँ पे स्टूडियोज बने हुए हैं। तो जिससे पहले आपको किंग कॉन्ग का हमने स्टूडियो दिखाया जहाँ पे किंग कॉन्ग की शूट हुई थी और ये देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे ये लोग शूटिंग वगैरह कर रहे हैं।
Never changes. It's always going to be a subway station. But if you change out the posters and the signage, this could be Chicago, New York, this could be London. It just depends on the location that you need it to be. And as you can see, they And that one's Earthquake. It's a big one. Now, I do have to be quiet because some of this, you might notice the sound is either low if you're not on. No stress. Enjoy and have fun. I just want to hear me.
यहाँ पे शूटिंग हो रही है जी मूवी की और वहाँ पे लोग बैठे हुए शार्क देखो
All right. I'm keeping it quiet still because we're so close. Did you see that? And we're going to get a little bit of rain here in just a moment. Beautiful. So this rain is actually brought to you by sprinklers.